Are you looking for the best portable generator in 2026 to keep your home powered during outages or outdoor trips? High voltage. Portable generators are essential for home backup power, camping, job sites, and emergency situations. The latest models offer quiet operation, inverter technology, dual fuel capability, and smart safety features. Starting at number 1. PECRON F1000 LFP. The PECRON F1000 LFP portable power station is a robust and versatile power solution designed to keep your essential devices running whether you're at home, camping, or on the road. With a 1004 LiFePO4 battery and a 1500W output, it delivers reliable and efficient power for everything from laptops, phones, and lights to small appliances, and it supports fast charging for quick replenishment. The unit also functions as a solar generator, solar panel optional, and includes UPS, uninterruptible power supply, capability, so it can automatically switch to battery power during an outage to keep critical electronics active. Built for portability and durability, this power station is ideal as a backup power source for emergencies, outdoor activities like RV trips and camping, or everyday use where dependable electricity is needed off-grid. Number 2. DuroMax XP16000iH. The DuroMax XP16000iH 16000W dual-fuel portable digital inverter generator is a powerful and versatile backup power solution ideal for whole home use, job sites, RV adventures, and emergencies. This rugged generator delivers up to 16,000 watts of peak power and can run on both gasoline and propane, giving you flexibility in fuel choice and extended runtime during outages. It features a remote electric start for convenient operation, inverter technology for stable, clean power that's safe for sensitive electronics, and is transfer switch ready so you can integrate it with your home electrical system. Built for durability and performance, the XP16000iH also offers multiple outlets to power large appliances, tools, and devices simultaneously, making it a reliable solution for backup electricity during storms, power failures, or off-grid projects. Number 3. Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 300. The Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 300 is a compact and reliable backup power solution ideal for camping, travel, outdoor adventures, and emergency blackouts. With a 293Wh lithium-ion battery, it provides portable energy to charge phones, laptops, lights, mini fridges, and other small devices, and supports fast recharging via AC outlet, car outlet, or solar panels, solar panel optional. Its lightweight, durable design and quiet operation make it easy to take on the road or use around the house, while multiple output ports, including AC, USB-C, and USB-A, ensure compatibility with a wide range of electronics. Whether you're off-grid camping, dealing with a power outage, or simply need dependable power on the go, the Jackery Explorer 300 delivers convenient and versatile energy wherever you need it. Number 4. Jackery HomePower 3600. The Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus portable power station is a high-capacity and versatile power solution designed to serve as an essential home backup, RV power source, or emergency energy reserve. With a robust 3584Wh LiFePO4 battery and a powerful 3600W AC output, it can run large appliances, tools, and electronics with reliable, stable power. The system is expandable up to 21 kWh, giving you flexibility to scale your backup energy capacity as needed, and it supports solar input, solar panels optional, to recharge sustainably off-grid. Built for durability and convenience, the HomePower 3600 Plus includes multiple AC and DC outlets, advanced safety features, and smart management tools that make it ideal for blackout situations, outdoor living, or extended off-grid stays, offering peace of mind with dependable power when you need it most. Number 5. Westinghouse 12500. The Westinghouse 12500W dual-fuel home backup portable generator is a powerful and reliable generator designed to keep your home running during power outages, outdoor events, or off-grid projects. Capable of producing up to 12,500 watts of power, it runs on both gasoline and propane, giving you flexible fuel options and longer runtime during extended outages. The generator features a remote electric start for convenient operation, is transfer switch ready for easy connection to your home's electrical system, and delivers clean, stable power suitable for a wide range of appliances, tools, and electronics. Built with durability and performance in mind, this Westinghouse unit offers dependable backup power for whole home needs, emergencies, and job sites alike. So that was our list of the best portable generators in 2026 you can buy right now. If you want to check the latest prices or buy any of these generators, all the product links are available in the video description below.